Welcome. So in this lesson, we're going to be talking about using logarithms to solve exponential equations and inequalities. Let's look at the first one we have. It says solve for x, 2 raised the x is equal to 5. Now, previously, when we were solving exponential equations, what we would do is we would make the bases the same. Now, look what we've got here. Is it possible to make the bases the same? No, it's not. We've got 2, we've got 5. You can't make the bases the same. So how can we answer this if we can't make the bases the same? Well, we now, using our logs, can rewrite this. We know that if we were to rewrite this as a log, it's simply going to be x is equal to log of base 2 of 5. And that's our answer. That's it. I mean, nothing more complicated than that. We can now answer exponential inequations very simply using our logs. Now, we can also use our calculator to do this as well. So if we wanted to, we could just type in what we see here. So we can go control log 2 to the 5. And then if you wanted to get it as a decimal, you would hit control, then enter. And of course, if you wanted to just solve it immediately, you can go menu 3, 1, and just type in what we have. 2 raised to the x is equal to 5, comma x, hit enter. And now it's going to give you that funny looking thing there. We're going to talk more about that in another part. Let's just come up here and hit control enter and we can get that. And as you can see, that is the same as what we got up there. Okay, let's now move on to the next one here. You might like to pause it and see if you can do it yourself. All right, what you should notice is that we can't make the bases the same. So therefore I'm going to rewrite this using my logs. So it's raised to the negative x is equal to log base of 7 argument of 6, and then we of course want to get rid of this negative here, so I can rewrite this as x as being equal to negative log of 7, 6. If I now wanted to solve this on my calculator, the easiest way to do so is go menu 3, 1 and simply type in what we have, which is 7 raised to the negative x is equal to 6, comma x, and I'm going to hit control enter here, and I'm going to get that out there. Or alternatively, if you wanted to, you could go control log, go 7, 6, don't forget that negative out the front, hit control enter, and you'll get the same answer again, negative whatever that is. So those are the same. So that's how you can use your CAS and use logarithms to answer exponential equations in which you can't make the bases the same. What we're going to talk about next is this funny answer that we got out here. Look at this funny looking thing. We're going to talk about what this is and how to relate it to what we're talking about here. All right, I'll see you in the next part.